Today we're exploring the journey of Edmund Kemper, the notorious serial killer known as the Co-Ed Killer, who terrorized Santa Cruz in the early 1970s before turning himself in. Standing 6'19", with a genius-level IQ, Kemper became a figure of intense fascination for his articulate cooperation with the FBI, which helped pioneer modern criminal profiling as seen in the series Mindhunter. So, where is Edmund Kemper now? Let's find out. Edmund Kemper has spent over 5 decades behind bars since he was convicted in 1973 for the murders of 6 college students, his mother, and her friend. For much of his incarceration at the California medical facility in Vacaville, Kemper was known as a model prisoner, spending thousands of hours narrating audiobooks for the blind and providing deep psychological insights to the FBI's behavioral science unit. However, in recent years, the man once considered one of the most talkative and cooperative inmates has largely retreated from the spotlight as his physical condition has deteriorated. The most recent update on his legal status came in July 2024, when Kemper was denied parole for the 12th time. During the hearing, it was revealed that his health has declined significantly. He is now 77 years old, uses a wheelchair, and has suffered from a stroke and chronic heart issues. While he previously waived his right to hearings, his 2024 appearance was marked by a psychiatric evaluation that deemed him still too dangerous for release, especially following a 2022 incident involving the battery of a prison staff member. Where is Edmund Kemper now? As of now, Edmund Kemper is still incarcerated at the California Medical Facility, CMF, in Vacaville, California. He is serving 8 concurrent life sentences and is currently housed in the prison's medical unit due to his age-related infirmities. Following his 2024 denial, he is not scheduled for another parole suitability hearing until 2031, making it highly probable that he will spend the remainder of his life within the prison walls. Professionally, his legacy lives on through the FBI's behavioral science archives, though he no longer participates in active interviews or the audiobook program. His case remains a cornerstone of criminal psychology studies, used to train generations of profilers on the organized versus disorganized offender typologies. Edmund Kemper has transformed from a terrifying figure of the 1970s into an elderly, ailing inmate who serves as a living cautionary tale of the darkest corners of the human psyche. While he remains a subject of true crime documentaries and academic research, he continues to live out his days in isolation, far removed from the society he once haunted. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more updates on high-profile cases and the current status of notorious figures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.